name is Cheryl. I'm the Vice President of Marketing here at Nowsite, and I'd like to walk you through the marketing system we've built for Tradera distributors. Let's start by looking at Tradera.org. As you can see, this is a classic sales-focused website. It's well organized and informative. However, a site like this really should be the last step in the sales and marketing process. Capturing your prospect's contact information is not the focus. There's no hook and no clear call to action. And only 1% of people buy the first time they visit a website. So, if a prospect doesn't buy right away, you lose the chance to build trust and build interest with a prospect forever. That's why having a marketing system is so important. And that is exactly what we've built for you to help you generate more leads and build more interest in your Tradera business than ever before. In the next 2 minutes, we'd like to give you a quick tour of what you'll find for you inside of your account as a Tradera distributor. First, in the website section, we have optimized 2 great sales funnels for Tradera. The first sales funnel is all about the Tradera product. It starts with a compelling lead capture form that captures the prospect's information. This page leads to a second page where we share videos and other information about Tradera's trading platform. This second sales funnel is all about the Tradera business opportunity. It starts with a clear, persuasive lead capture form and is followed by a website that describes Tradera's compensation plan. Both of these sales funnels are ready to go when you create your account. You can customize any part of these funnels anytime you like using our simple drag and drop interface. And you can create as many landing pages and websites as you wish. Second, in the email section, you'll find a pre-built 10-day email campaign for Tradera all ready to go to help you automate your follow-up with your prospects. This email series is already connected to both sales funnels, but you are free to customize the campaign or create new email campaigns anytime. Your subscription includes 10,000 marketing emails per month to help ensure that your business stays top of mind with your prospects. Third, in the content section, we have created dozens of social media posts that are ready for you to use on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to help you attract interest in the Tradera opportunity. Check back regularly. We'll keep adding fresh posts every month. In the content section, you'll also find tons of great articles, videos, tools, and training from top industry leaders, all available to you anytime you want to expand your sales, marketing, and networking skills. In our contact section, you'll have access to simple but powerful customer relationship management system. And in the analytics section, we are proud to give you the most complete and intuitive marketing analytics available anywhere, so you can track not only your lead generation, but the engagement you have with each of your prospects across all platforms. If you want to start advertising online, just click online ads and we can provide you with the most proven ads to drive even more traffic to your Tradera sales funnel. And we'll publish your ads across a network of over 1 million websites worldwide. Last but not least, every day our AI-powered content engine will recommend relevant, popular articles, videos, and images about your business category for you to post on your social media, publish on your website's blog, and email to your prospects as a daily newsletter. An incredibly powerful way to attract interest in your business, and it's already set up and ready to go. We hope you enjoyed this short introduction to all of the marketing tools and strategies that are built, tested, and waiting for you to help you market your Tradera business online like never before. To get started using the most advanced, effective marketing platform ever created for the direct sales and network marketing industry, just click the button below. Thanks for watching.